Africa is a land of opportunities. Today, we'll explore 4 highly profitable industrial businesses that can thrive in Africa: soap making, bottled water production, ecological charcoal production, and industrial ice block manufacturing. We'll cover the machines you need, startup capital, and marketing strategies to dominate these industries. Let's dive in. Basic ingredients: oils, fats, palm oil, coconut oil, shea butter, etc. Primary soap base: caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, used for saponification. Water helps in dissolving caustic soda. Essential oils and fragrances, gives soap a pleasant scent. Coloring agents and herbal additives for differentiation and branding. High demand due to population growth and hygiene awareness. The soap industry is recession-proof. Local production reduces import dependency. Opportunities in both household and industrial soap markets. Laundry soap, for washing clothes, highly used in homes. Toilet soap, used for personal hygiene, requires premium ingredients. Antibacterial soap, popular due to rising health concerns. Herbal and organic soap, growing demand for natural skin care. Why soap making is profitable in Africa. Soap is an essential household item, and demand is growing due to population increase and hygiene awareness. Hotels, hospitals, and supermarkets require bulk supply. Export potential to neighboring countries. Machines needed: oil melting tank, for heating oils and fats. Mixing tank, for combining raw materials. Soap plotter machine, forms soap into bars. Cutting machine, slices soap into desired shapes. Stamping and packaging machine, adds branding and packaging. Essential machines. Mixing and blending machine, $2,000 to $5,000, for blending oils, caustic soda, and other ingredients. Soap molding machine, $3,000 to $8,000. Shapes soap bars into standard sizes. Cutting machine, $1,500 to $5,000. Cuts soap slabs into bars. Stamping machine, $2,000 to $6,000, for branding and logo engraving. Drying racks, $500 to $2,000, used for air drying the soap. Packaging machine, $2,500 to $6,000. Wraps and seals soap bars for sale. Estimated startup cost: small-scale business, $5,000 to $15,000. Medium-scale business, $15,000 to $50,000. Large-scale business, $50,000 to $100,000 startup capital. Small scale, $5,000 to $10,000. Manual production. Medium scale, $20,000 to $50,000. Semi-automatic machinery. Large scale, $100,000 plus. Fully automated factory. Marketing strategy: supply to supermarkets, hotels, and hospitals. Brand differentiation: organic, medicated beauty soaps. Sell in bulk to wholesalers and retailers. Utilize social media, branding, and e-commerce platforms. Why start a bottled water business in Africa? High demand in cities, offices, restaurants, and events. Bottled water industry is one of the fastest growing sectors. Water quality concerns make purified water a necessity. Potential for high profitability and brand expansion. Types of bottled water. You can produce purified water, processed through filtration systems. Mineral water, contains natural minerals from underground sources. Alkaline water, marketed as having health benefits. Flavored or vitamin-infused water, growing trend in premium markets. Why it's in high demand. Clean drinking water is essential, and bottled water is a fast-growing industry. Demand from households, offices, schools, and events. Government regulations are pushing for safer drinking water solutions. Machines needed: water purification system, reverse osmosis, UV filtration, bottle blowing machine for creating PET bottles, filling and capping machine for efficient bottle filling and sealing, labeling machine for branding and packaging, shrink wrapping machine for bulk packaging. Startup capital: small scale, $10,000 to $20,000. Medium scale, $50,000 to $100,000. Large scale, $150,000 plus basic materials, water source, borehole, municipal supply, or natural springs. Plastic bottles, PET bottles, eco-friendly options, bottle caps and seals, essential for hygiene and safety, labels and branding materials, for marketing and differentiation. Step 1. Water sourcing and treatment. Choosing the right water source. Borehole, municipal, or natural springs. Filtration and purification using reverse osmosis and UV sterilization. Step 2. Bottle manufacturing and preparation using PET bottle blowing machines or sourcing pre-made bottles, cleaning and sterilizing bottles before filling. Step 3. Filling and capping using automated filling machines to maintain hygiene and speed. Sealing and quality checking bottles. Step 4. Labeling and branding applying customized labels and brand designs. Step 5. Packaging and storage packing in cartons or shrink wraps. Storing in a controlled environment before distribution. Marketing strategy. Partner with supermarkets, wholesalers, restaurants, and hotels. Target schools, hospitals, and corporate offices. Use aggressive branding and social media advertising. Offer bulk supply discounts to wholesalers. Ecological charcoal making factory. Why it's needed in Africa. Over 70% of African households rely on charcoal for cooking. Traditional charcoal production is environmentally harmful. Ecological charcoal is cheaper, sustainable, and government-supported. Machines needed carbonization. Furnace converts biomass into charcoal. Crusher and grinder breaks down raw materials. Mixer machine combines materials evenly. Briquette press machine shapes charcoal into uniform briquettes. Drying machine removes moisture for quality output. Startup capital. Small scale, $5,000 to $15,000. Medium scale, $30,000 to $60,000. Large scale, $100,000 plus rising deforestation and environmental concerns. Government regulations restricting traditional charcoal production. High demand for alternative fuels for cooking and industrial use. Lower production costs and high profit potential. Rising deforestation and environmental concerns. Government regulations restricting traditional charcoal production. High demand for alternative fuels for cooking and industrial use. Lower production costs and high profit potential. Essential machines. Crusher machine, $1,500 to $5,000. Crushes raw materials into fine powder. Drying machine, $2,000 to $7,000. Dries raw materials before pressing. Briquette press machine, $3,000 to $15,000. Compresses powder into solid briquettes. Carbonization furnace, $5,000 to $20,000. Converts briquettes into high-energy charcoal. Packaging machine, $2,500 to $6,000. Wraps and seals charcoal for sale. Estimated startup cost, small-scale business, $5,000 to $15,000. Medium-scale business, $15,000 to $50,000. Large-scale business, $50,000 to $150,000. Basic materials, agricultural waste, sawdust, coconut shells, rice husks. Binders, cassava starch, molasses. Water for mixing, marketing strategy. Sell to supermarkets, restaurants, and households. Export opportunities to European and Asian markets. Government contracts for cleaner energy solutions. Social media campaigns emphasizing sustainability. Why start an ecological charcoal business in Africa? Briquettes from agricultural waste, made from rice husks, sawdust, coconut shells, etc. Bamboo charcoal, renewable and sustainable. Carbonized briquettes, higher energy efficiency for cooking and heating. Why this business is booming. Africa's hot climate increases demand for ice blocks. Hotels, bars, fish sellers, and event planners require a reliable supply. High demand in rural and urban areas where electricity is unreliable. Essential machines. Crusher machine, $1,500 to $5,000. Crushes raw materials into fine powder. Drying machine, $2,000 to $7,000. Dries raw materials before pressing. Briquette press machine, $3,000 to $15,000, compresses powder into solid briquettes. Carbonization, furnace, $5,000 to $20,000, converts briquettes into high-energy charcoal. Packaging machine, $2,500 to $6,000, wraps and seals charcoal for sale. Estimated startup cost, small-scale business, $5,000 to $15,000, medium-scale business, $15,000 to $50,000, large-scale business, $50,000 to $150,000. Machines needed. Ice block maker machine, produces ice in bulk. Refrigeration system, stores ice blocks efficiently. Water filtration system, ensures clean ice production. Packing and sealing machine, for distribution and resale. Startup capital, small scale, $5,000 to $10,000, medium scale, $20,000 to $50,000, large scale, $80,000 plus dollars. Step 1. Collecting and preparing raw materials, sourcing agricultural waste from farms and sawmills, drying the materials to reduce moisture content. Step 2. Crushing and grinding, using the crusher to break down raw materials into fine particles. Step 3. Mixing and briquette formation, adding binders and mixing thoroughly, using the briquette press to shape the charcoal. Step 4. Drying and carbonization, air drying briquettes before placing them in the carbonization furnace. Step 5. Cooling and packaging, allowing briquettes to cool before packaging, sealing in eco-friendly bags for retail. 1. Identifying your target market: households, restaurants, hotels, and industrial users. 2. Distribution channels, selling to supermarkets, wholesalers, and directly to consumers. Partnering with eco-friendly organizations. 3. Branding and advertising, highlighting the environmental benefits in your marketing, leveraging social media, influencers, and government support. 4th, offering unique value, providing bulk purchase discounts, creating smokeless and long-burning charcoal products, supply to fish sellers, bars, and hotels, partner with event planners and caterers, direct sales through retail stores, offer delivery services to increase market reach. Starting these 4 businesses, soap making, bottled water, ecological charcoal, or industrial ice blocks, can be a game changer. Africa's booming population and industrial growth make these industries highly profitable with long-term sustainability. If you're serious about launching an industrial business, take action today. Like, subscribe, and comment.